In this video, I will talk about present value interest factor. So let's begin. What does we mean by present value interest factor? Present value interest factor is an integral component in the calculation of present value of cash flows under the discounted cash flow model of investment valuation. It is based on the concept of time value of money, which stipulates that as long as interest rates remain above zero, the valuation of money always appreciates over time. The two crucial determinants needed for calculation of present value factor are time period and the discount rate. Present value tables provide the present value factors for different time periods and discount rate combinations for easy reference. Present value factor plays an important role in investment valuation and capital budgeting process. Let's go to the Excel sheet to see on how to calculate PVIF using data table formula in Excel. Here rate is 1% in C3 cell and number of period is 1 year in C4 cell. To figure out the present value interest factor, at first we have to find out the present value of 1% interest rate in 1 year. So first of all, we will put equal sign, then type PV, then double tap, click on C3 cell for rate, comma, click on C4 cell for number of periods, comma, as no payment, type 0, comma, put minus sign and type 1 for future value, comma, type 0 to show end of the period, close the bracket and press the enter key. As you can see, the present value of 1% interest rate in 1 year is $0.9901. Here in this row section, we will fill out interest rates serially, and in this column section, we will put number of years serially. So here we type 1%, then 2%, then we have to take it up to 15%. In column section, we will put 1, then 2, then we have to take it up to 15 years. Then we have to select the entire table to find out present value interest factor. Here you can see in the menu bar data, then click on what if analysis and then data table. Here it is required two things, row input cell and column input cell. We will put row input cell in C3 cell and we will put column input cell in C4 cell. Then press OK. Here is the result. So in this way, you can compute present value interest factor. Thanks in advance and see you in my next video.